Hey everybody, welcome again to Dan's In-Body Experience. Check this out, look here. He looks like he's coming in too fast. Or what? Look at him. Watch you. I'm assuming this is another my cousin's carvings he done. That's great. Don't look like he's hitting his brakes. Whoa! Okay. Look how artistic it is. I mean, I call this art. To me, this is art. Maybe folk art, I don't know. But it's cool. It almost makes me feel like a goober, he's so creative. But it's okay, because I get to look at it. And I don't have to do all the hard work. Look at these more bears. And a bison, buffalo bison. Same thing, right? We're gonna look at that in a minute. Hold on. I got sidetracked. This old wagon. Western town of Brooklyn, antler, population 5. I think it just went up, actually, not long ago. I think he just had another baby. So I'm assuming that's what the numbers are for. Mural on that wall. That is a nice job. Nice job. Here's the bear and the buffalo. That is a buffalo, right? Yeah. It's a buffalo. Hey, Mr. Buffalo. Hi, buddy. The bear. I think, if I mention this in another vlog or not, but I think he will make them and sell them too. I think I'm telling you right. Oh, here we go. I've been in one of these in Cherokee, North Carolina. It's warm in here. Smoke goes out. I'm not sure what that is. I'm not sure. Oh, that's a ceramic. Yeah, I think that's not wood. I mean, I just feel like I could come up here and relax and stay all day. Can't really afford to because I need to go make some money. I ought not be here now, to be honest with you. But I am. Greenhouse. I'm sure that's the greenhouse for his. Look at it real quick. I think this is his greenhouse. And it kind of obviously is. Yeah. I think that's what that is. I mean, the season's about up for landscaping, for flowers and that sort of thing. I know the season is up for flowers, I'm sure. Let's see. Middle word. Shake down the street. This guy's had a bad day in there somewhere. Bless his heart. Alright guys. Oh, here we go. Fallow deer, taxidermy, horse stable, pool, homestead, and beehives. If you see it or not. I won't be going down there. That's his personal drive. Just a couple more things to check out before we roll out of here. Thinking, what's this right here? Oh, here we go. Sheriff wanted. Inquire within. I don't know if the sun's messing with that or not, guys. Oh. I'm assuming this is supposed to be like an artillery or a cellar. I'm not sure which. Something I don't want you in there. For what is that? Motorcycle. Some motorcycle in there. See it? Okay. I just want to walk up through here so you can get the feel of what it looks like coming in. Oh, hey, Ray. It's an old one. Stapleton Taxidermy. Mounting your memories one trophy at a time. This is done by my aunt Mary Stapleton, 4812. Guys, here's how it is. If there's only 2 or 3 of you on here and checking me out daily, I hope you guys know I appreciate it. There's another bear. And you know, for anything they go start to work, there has to be other people that respond to them in a positive way. So if you're doing that, I thank you. I hope to have something again tomorrow to bring you back. And like I said, I'm starting. I'm just starting. So I mean, I've got a long way to go to be a good YouTuber. But I enjoy it. I didn't mean to start this. I don't know how I got started with this. I just fell into it and I enjoy it. I guess it feels like I can connect with more people and hopefully bring something positive into your day. I hope so. I mean, I'm like anybody else. I've got my negative traits too. I got plenty of my negative outlooks on things, but I try to keep it positive. I've been through some stuff in my life, and I'm telling you, if you don't keep that positive outlook, you don't have much. If life dictates your attitude, and that's all that dictates your attitude, is what's coming at you, it's gonna be tough. It's gonna be tough. And at the end of the day, I'll walk down here because it's too good to let go, guys. Let me tell you something. This is who I am, and I ain't mean to offend nobody, but if it does, just the way she rolls. Right there we go. It's over.